I love the culture at Jetset.
Everyone's close, everyone's a mate.
We're all just a big family.
It's a place that really allows you to really grow into the tradesman that you want to be.
Everyone's just genuine nice people. You just get the constant motivation from the office to be the best person that you can possibly be.
Everything is provided for us, all our equipment.
Uniforms, fuel card,
iPad,
Bunnings card.
Day one, it's a take-home van.
From socks to underpants, they give it to us all.
Jetset Plumbing really pride themselves in teamwork,
customer service,
personal development,
positive work environment,
and safety.
Jetset's happy, customers are happy, I'm happy, one big happy circle.
Prior to coming to Jetset, I just thought it was another job.
It seems too good to be true, really.
Didn't really have any idea that it'd be this much different than other companies that I've worked at.
It looked like such an amazing company to work for.
There was a really well-connected group of people.
I wasn't anxious submitting my resume to Jetset, I was more excited.
I did my homework, did some research on Jetset.
As I joined, it was a very seamless transition. Everyone's super encouraging and
Googled Jetset, found out what they're about, spoke to a couple of guys at the plumbing shop that work for Jetset.
Of course, it's a bit nerve-wracking every time you go to hand in a resume at a new job.
We are one of the biggest plumbing companies and we're forever expanding.
My thoughts on Jetset after being here for 3 years, definitely what I expected.
After 9 years of being at Jetset, I couldn't be happier.
I've grown phenomenally as a person. My confidence levels are higher.
they make you feel really appreciated with the hard work that you do put in. There's always shout-outs for good work.
It's probably one of the best moves I've ever done in my whole life.
I'm a lot more happier.
It's not your average run-of-the-mill plumbing company. It's so much more than that.
If you're not happy with where you're working at right now,
If you're going through the same rhythms every day, you're doing the same thing with plumbing over and over again, it's going to get quite boring.
Give Jetset a try. I guarantee you won't be disappointed.
Come work at Jetset, it'll change your mind, that's for sure.
Come and try Jetset out.
Come and try Jetset. You'll only go up.
The feeling that you get working here is unbelievable. Respect, the freedom.
Life's short. Stop wasting your time doing something you don't enjoy and find something that you do enjoy and come work for a great company.
try Jetset. You will not be disappointed.